Hey guys, quick video on Alfonses, the Alfa Romeo 105, 105, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so we're back from the blasters. Dave down at Lockyer Blasting's done a great job. He's gotten right in underneath everything he's had to, clear all the rust away and the paint. We'd already stripped the outside of the car back to bare metal, so we knew that there'd be nothing major on it. It's actually very good. And yeah, you can see where we've repaired the metal already, which is mostly on this side. We did that work around that wheel arch, and this bottom of this quarter hasn't been panel beaded or anything yet, but we had the opportunity to get this in. That bottom's been done, we've still got to dress that. But yeah, this here is the last of the sort of rust repairs we've got to take care of. So that's what we're going to do. We've left that standard black stuff on there. Where it had peeled up, he's obviously given that a hit with the blaster, which helps. We covered over the, I think it's a brake proportioning valve and the handbrake and whatnot. We took the steering wheel off. Yeah, so just a bit of basic prep. We put it up on stands this morning, and it's ready now for epoxy. Might give it a quick buzz over with the DA, and then it's ready to go. So I'll probably do that, a bit of 80 grit, just. Yeah, you can go straight over it, the blasted surface, but yeah, I'll just to make sure there's no micro particles of garnet or anything inside the on the surface of the metal, and we're best to give it a sand off. So yeah, got it looking really good. So you can see the mods that have been done in the past. It's all hidden by the seat, but we might have to tidy some of that up. But overall, we knew that it would be okay. We found a few thin areas here on the nose, but that's pretty good. So a bit of TIG welding and whatnot, it will be all fine. So just thought I'd give you a quick update on Project Alfonses. So yeah, we're gonna just work on getting the welding finished on it now, and then they'll be ready for the bodywork stage. And all the panels are still getting blasted on the inside of the panel. So we're, because the outsides have already been prepped and they're ready to go for paint. So basically, that's what we're looking at, is a car that's ready for some bodywork after the last bit of welding. So happy days. We'll talk to you later.